Hi, I'm Austin with Eco. Upgrading your HVAC system, electrical panel, or water heater is a big decision. For many homeowners, the biggest question isn't if it's needed, but how to pay for it. That's why Eco offers financing options designed to make qualified upgrades more manageable, so you can improve comfort, efficiency, and long-term costs without unnecessary delay. Many homeowners already know their system needs attention. The real challenge is handling the upfront cost, especially when waiting can lead to breakdowns, higher repair costs, or rising utility bills. Financing helps you take action sooner so you're not forced into a rushed, high-stress decision later. Eco financing is typically tied to a qualifying HVAC, plumbing, or electrical upgrade. Depending on your project and your qualifications, options usually include either a short-term no-interest plan or longer-term financing with fixed monthly payments. This gives you flexibility to choose a plan that fits your budget. If you think you're ready to get started on a project and want to see what your financing options might be, give us a call today. Our team will work with you to review your project details and walk you through financing options that may fit your home, budget, and timeline. We'll clearly explain available terms, answer your questions, and help you understand your next step, so you can make a confident, informed decision without pressure. And don't worry, any information you give us is in safe hands. We'll never share it or sell it to anyone else. If you're planning an upgrade or dealing with an aging system now, give us a call to explore your financing options with Eco. A major home upgrade doesn't have to mean a major upfront burden. With the right financing plan, you can move forward with more control, more comfort, and more confidence.